How to promote your business on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and more. Have you ever struggled with creating videos? Do you find it tedious and time-consuming, or better yet, you're camera shy? What if I told you there's a brand new AI technology to where you didn't have to create a single video yourself and all you had to do is tell it what business or niche you're in. And the software goes to work for you. Within minutes you'll have a beautiful, stunning video related to your business that will effortlessly drive more traffic, leads and sales to your business. Would you be interested? No tech skills or experience needed. Works on all mobile devices. Custom marketing videos created for you. Web-based, no downloading required. Stunning video, no ugly templates or images like those other so-called video makers. Take it for a free test drive. If you don't like what you see, you don't pay a single cent, but we know you're going to love what this brand new AI software does for you. To try it for free, click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.